your mark. Get set, go.
Oh my God. 27 hearts.
I got a feeling. Perks help me feel it. I feel it. Problems.
Make sure to hit that like button or the Chick-fil-A worker will spit in your drink.
Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. This is your boy Marco and your boy Al. Looking dandy today. Actually looking like your outfit.
Thank you.
Wait, you put that on your pants?
Yeah, these are off-white shoelaces.
We don't care about your wealth.
Today, we're gonna be going inside this mall, going up to strangers and asking them if they want to win $10,000. And this is how. If the contestant can eat the Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich under 20 seconds, they will win $10,000. But here's the catch, there will be consolation prizes if they can't make the 20-second mark. 30 seconds, they will win $100, and under 1 minute, they'll win $10. You know what? They can go home with something.
Now it's time to meet our contestants. We asked them what they would do with 10 racks.
Alright, so right now we have our first contestant. What's your name?
Emily. Buy groceries, because, you know, I'm a poor college kid.
Guys, so right here we got contestant number 2. What's your name, bro? First of all, what's your name?
Enrique.
Enrique, alright.
I would go to the strip club.
That's what I'm talking about right there.
Are you old enough for a strip club?
Yeah.
Really?
No.
Our last contestant of the day. What's your name, bro?
Manny. Share with my brodies, you feel me?
Alright. Hey, it's on camera, so if Alright, ladies and gentlemen. So Alvin thinks he could do it.
Hey man, this will be a nice little bonus. I'm just gonna say I am the golden hand, so therefore I feel like I can do this.
Ready, player 1.
In 3, 2, 1.
Go, go. You got this. You got this. Okay, she's actually moving quite fast. I didn't expect this.
Focus.
Wow, that's a lot to put in
Halfway, you're halfway.
Oh yeah, she was.
Chill.
This is hard. You gotta keep going. Swallow. Bev. Bev is good.
You're at 25 seconds.
Wait,
Go 10, go 10, go 10.
What are you thinking? Oh, go 10.
Nope. No 100, but you can still minutes. You got this. You're close.
The fucking hard.
Oh god.
We're at 43 seconds. Come on, you can get $10 still.
Oh, 10 seconds left. Come on.
You got this. Oh, 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god. Hey, she was so close. Hey, that was good. Hey, high five.
Bad. I give you that.
That was good. That was good.
I give you that. That was not bad. That
About
was
the
not
fucking burning.
bad. Contestant number 1 has failed. So now let's go find another contestant.
Ready, player 2.
In 3, 2, 1.
Go. Okay, all right. Good strategy. Big bites, big bites. Okay.
Come on, bro.
We got two
Trust
different
me.
cameras. You can't laugh. You gotta do this. You got 2 different camera angles right now. But I think it's a lot to take down.
What's like, bro? You still got 10 for the hundo. For the hundo. Come on.
You got this, man. I got the money right here, bro. You could have been, look, you could have ate that. You could have had so much money by now.
He's laughing. Come on. Bro. Time is still running for the $10. Let's go.
And,
Oh god. You give up? You give up? Alright, he gives up. Alright, we'll give it to him. We'll let him enjoy half of the sandwich.
That shit is dry.
Real dry.
Popeyes is better, right? I like Popeyes, bro. Popeyes is better. But Popeyes was closed. That was the original idea. Well, not closed.
Not closed.
They don't got the chicken
They just don't
sandwich.
have chicken sandwiches anymore.
Wow.
On to contestant number 3 because contestant number 2 failed really bad. Sorry to tell you, but that's a failure.
Ready, player 3.
Alright, ready, set, go.
Eat it.
Put it in your mouth.
No, you can't spit it.
You gotta swallow. You gotta swallow.
Come on. You can keep going, bro.
Don't look at the time. Just focus on the sandwich. Don't look at the time.
Bro, if you do it under 30 seconds, you still get $100, bro. Come on. You got this.
9 seconds. Hurry up. You got 9 seconds.
One more bite.
Nah, let me do that. I got that.
You know what, bro? At this point,
I think you folded.
just enjoy it. Just enjoy the
rest of the set.
Let me get that chat.
Ready, player 4.
And your mark. Get set, go. Ah! Wait, let him concentrate.
Crazy thing is he's not eating.
Come on. Oh, bro, you gotta get on the table. You can't let that fall. You can't let that fall. Come on. 11 seconds. Come on. Bro, you gotta get all that. Get all that.
You gotta eat it. Swallow it.
Bro, oh my god,
You have
bro.
to swallow. You realize that, right?
You gotta swallow it. Come on, at least for the minute. At least for the minute. You can get the minute. Come on. Wait, take your time. Go for the minute.
Okay, wait. Don't choke.
Don't choke.
I'm not responsible.
You want a
for
drink? Hold on.
Oh, I'm good.
I want to help him, bro. Go.
Ben. Oh, I think he folded.
You know what it is? He could have got it low key, bro.
He could have actually.
He could have got it.
If you would have drank, he would have got it.
Here, spit it out. Spit it out. Fuck it. Bro, it's been past a minute already.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god.
Ready, Mr. Forehead.
After seeing everybody over there do that, this is impossible. And mine is a little bit thicker than theirs.
Low key, low key. All right. We're gonna go ahead and start the timer. In 3, are you ready? Okay, yeah, that's smart, low key. Squish it up a little bit. In 3, 2, 1. All right, big ass fight. Okay, okay, okay. Come on, come on. 9 seconds, bro. You're already halfway. Let's go. Swallow that. Come on. Come on. Swallow it. Swallow it.
I need a beverage!
Shut up.
Hello there.
Oh, come on. Bro, you're at 26 seconds. Okay, if you're gonna throw up in the lake.
It's big.
You have 44 seconds, bro. Come on. I said under a minute, I give you 20 bucks.
Yeah, boy.
Ah, minute already, bro. Come on. All right, so see what happened?
If I verify that I'm 18 and I jump into this water, can I get $100? I'll give you 50 if you do it. 50 if I do it?
50 if you do it.
No, wait.
Girl.
If you don't get, you will do it?
I will do it.
Oh, you're such a savage, bro. All right, guys, so she just came up with some random thing of jumping in here, and hey, she's a money hustler right there. That's what I'm talking about. You already know. All right.
If you get in trouble, it has nothing to do with us. I wasn't here.
Alright, I have no idea who you are.
I
Like,
will go back to jail.
Alvin and what?
Let's do this.
Who are you?
I'm just a girl
with a rocket launcher.
All right, so she's saying she's gonna jump inside. We're in a mall, by the way.
50 bucks.
For 50 bucks. All right, go.
Fuck yeah. You're gonna jump in
Oh
the
my god.
Emily!
Oh my god. No, she's not. No, she's
So fucking
Take a swim, take a swim.
You gotta swim. You gotta swim.
Do I have to swim for real? Yeah. Like, this is dirty. Like, I don't want to get like some kind of
50 bucks. 50 bucks. 50 bucks for a swim. Oh my god.
Stop! I hate you!
Oh my.
Oh my god. Let's go. That is crazy.
So 50 bucks?
You have the personality to start a YouTube channel. Look, guys, I'm gonna send her 50 bucks and I'm gonna give her 20 bucks. She could go buy a towel. What the fuck? And what?
That's so much money.
It's her birthday.
Thank you. Now I get to go buy like.
Also follow her so she could get some followers.
Yeah, let me get some cloud up in here.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for this video. Thank you for everybody participating. Everybody, you know what? You guys did good. I give it
I
to
think
you
I was
guys.
the closest one though. I was the
He
closest.
actually tried it. He almost got it. But anyways, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button. And we'll catch you next time. Peace.